Hello everybody. Hi, if you're here, let me know. Welcome everybody to Natural Health and Yoga Group. If you're here, leave a comment below or let me know. Say hi. Let me know you're here. Good. First, welcome everybody. I know it's like New Year, so everybody is busy and understand. Happy New Year, everybody. But as I promised, I'm gonna talk about one topic about natural health every week, every Tuesday at 4 p.m. In this group, I'm live here, so feel free to join me live and invite your friends or family who are interested to join. Oh, I see. Who is here? Let me know. Say hi if you're here. Thanks for joining me. Leave a comment, say hi or say something that you're here. I'm glad you can join us. So today, Heidi is here. Hello, Miss Heidi. Thanks for joining me. Good. Nice to see you. Thanks for your support. Appreciate it. Good. As I promised, I'm live every week, every Tuesday at 4 p.m. So I'm going to talk about one topic. Today I chose to talk about thyroid health and how thyroid can affect on our entire health and our whole well-being. Before I start, I'm gonna ask a few questions. I want to know, what do you know about thyroid and what is thyroid? So if you know something, let me know right now. Leave a comment to see, what do you know about thyroid? Where is it located? What does it do to our body? Okay, first of all, let's see. What is thyroid? Thyroid is a gland. It has two lobes and it is located in front of your neck. If you want to touch it, you can place your two fingers over here on the collarbone over here. This area actually is the area that is associated with the acupressure point of thyroid. And thyroid is a gland that is located in neck area. This center is the center of thyroid hormones that balances our metabolism, and it is related to how our metabolism will be regulated. Thyroid is the largest endocrine gland in our bodies and secretes a hormone that is called thyroxine. Thyroxine regulates the metabolism of the cells in our bodies, and when there is metabolism issues, we need to address thyroid. Actually, thyroid is the most important gland, one of the most important glands in our bodies. One of its components is thyroxine and iodine. Over here, I have a question. Why does thyroid become enlarged? Sometimes we see some people say, okay, I have enlarged thyroid. What is the reason? Why we have enlarged thyroid? If you know, let me know. Write a comment. Let me know what do you know about it. Okay, I'm gonna answer myself. If thyroid does not absorb enough iodine from our bloodstream, its effort is to entrap more iodine, so it becomes enlarged. And the enlarged thyroid is because of its effort to compensate that mineral deficiency. Over here we getting problems actually because of hypothyroidism or lack of thyroid function. Some symptoms and signs, which are some of them are physically, some of them are emotionally, and some of them are mentally, we can experience it. For example, if you want to talk about the problems and pains physically, if we go to the doctor diagnoses there is enlargement of thyroid going on. If you want to feel it, you can place your hand on the neck area in front of neck, and if you feel it's like bulky and inflamed, over here there is a thyroid going on. So if there is hypothyroidism, it becomes enlarged. The thyroid becomes enlarged. The symptoms and signs would be like falling hair. Some people, complain, why my hair is falling too much. I don't know what is the reason. One of the reasons could be thyroid malfunction. Another sign of hypothyroidism is dry skin and dry hair. Sometimes we can feel, even though we use moisturizer and we try to keep the skin moistured, but we feel it's dry, and that could be related to hormonal imbalance, and one of those hormones involved is thyroid hormones. The other symptom associated with a thyroid problem is fatigue. Some people feel like feeling fatigue, lack of energy. They are not able to do their work during the day. That is another sign of hypothyroidism. Especially when the hypothyroidism becomes chronic, these are the symptoms. Another problem is like feeling slow pulse, low blood pressure, and a tendency toward obesity. Usually, the tendency toward obesity is the concern that most of women, especially middle-aged women, address that because of lack of metabolism in our bodies. So we can say thyroid is involved. We have to pay attention to see what is going on with thyroid. Another problem could be poor circulation, lack of circulation to the organs, and a lack of blood circulation, lymphatic system. So that would be another symptom associated with hypothyroidism. Another interesting topic is that when there is hypothyroidism going on, we can see excess buildup of estrogen in the body, and that excess estrogen in the long run, when it becomes chronic and we do not address it, we can expect development of breast cancer. So if we want to prevent breast cancer, we need to pay attention to our thyroid function and balance the thyroid hormones. Okay, over here I see Marjan join us. Welcome, Marjan. Okay, leave a comment, say hi here, say hi below so I can see you over here. Feel free to ask questions. I'll be glad to answer it live. Thanks for joining me, Marjan. Good. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Okay, now let me ask you a question. What is a properly functioning thyroid? Actually, what is the sign that the thyroid functions very well? This is the question. If you can answer it, you get bonuses. Try to stay with me until the end. So if you answer the questions, leave a comment. I will consider bonus for you. So let me know. Get involved. Engage. Good. A properly functioning thyroid. A properly functioning thyroid produces right amount of thyroxine. That is the thyroid hormone. When the thyroid functions correctly and properly, it can maintain normal rate of metabolism. Normal rate of metabolism, if we want to measure it, we can measure it by amount of heat generated within the body. We call it BMR, or basal metabolic rate. Good. If you want to measure the normal rate of metabolism, we consider BMR, or basal metabolic rate. Okay, any question here? If you have any question, let me know. Good. Now, today I'm going to talk about hypothyroid. Let's see, who is it this for? Those who have actually malfunction of thyroid or low function of thyroid, we call it hypothyroidism. Even though this is a title, but we're going to consider if there is lack of thyroid function, we need to address it as soon as we can. Why? Because the sooner we address thyroid and its metabolism in our body, the better results we can get. Especially if we address it in a natural way and try a holistic health way, that would be the best. What are actually those who have hypothyroidism? So what are the signs or symptoms they can feel? One of them is like feeling a cold. Usually those people who have hypothyroidism, they feel cold hands, cold legs, and the person becomes puffy faced. If there is a sign of puffiness, and usually the face become puffy, that is a sign there is a malfunction thyroid going on. Usually there is those people are sluggish or feeling tendency toward obesity. Why? Because of the lack of metabolism in our bodies. Actually it is not their fault. It's because of the hormonal imbalance, and because the thyroid is the major gland, endocrine gland in our bodies, and it needs attention. That is actually those signs and symptoms are what we need to pay attention to them. Okay, now why? Question is over here. If you know the answer, let me know. Why thyroid is important? Let me know if you know why thyroid is important, why we should address it as soon as we can. Good. Okay. I'm gonna answer here. Let's see. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which there is insufficient thyroid hormone, a weak thyroid, or lack of iodine or tyrosine. Okay, sometimes it's because the thyroid is weak, and it could be heredity. It's one of our families, mom and dad had this issue before, and it could be heredity and gene engaged, or the other cause could be lack of iodine or tyrosine in our bodies. So once you come for evaluation, what I do, actually I evaluate to see what is the main causes of the problem. So we will address which one is more involved. And once we find the cause of the thyroid malfunction, we can find better solutions and address it to get the better results. Any questions? Good? All right. Now, what are you going to learn today? What I'm going to talk about? I'm going to talk about 4 core things that are actually the natural solutions. Those solutions could be food as a medicine. I'm going to talk about herbal medicine, what herbs can help thyroid. I'm going to talk about exercise or some of the specific yoga postures helps thyroid function, to improve thyroid function. And finally, mindset. That could be meditation, relaxation, and visualization. Good. Now, okay, question, comments, ready? Ready to know? Good? Okay. Those who have been watching, oh, Guarnaz has joined us. All right, welcome to Alnazjan. Say hi. Welcome. Thanks for joining me. We are talking about thyroid, hypothyroidism, signs and symptoms, what we can do, what are the natural remedies or natural health solutions to help thyroid to improve its function. Oh, Shirin joined us. Thanks for joining me, Shirin-jan. Welcome. Say hi. Leave a comment below. Let me know. We are talking about hypothyroid. Okay. Let me reintroduce myself. You know, I'm a doctor of traditional naturopathy and board-certified holistic health counselor. I've been teaching yoga more than 15 years. So natural has been my passions. Since my childhood, I believe in herbal, natural remedies, nutrition, and exercise. Actually, healthy lifestyle to prevent chronic diseases. So every week, I talk about one topic in this group, and actually our goal is to see the results to prevent chronic diseases. If there is any interest in a specific topic, you can let me know. I can give you more information about a specific topic. Otherwise, I'll choose the topic and I will talk every week at 4 p.m. every Tuesday. I'm here in this group. So you are welcome to join me at 4 and invite your friends or families who are interested in natural health, natural remedies, nutrition, exercise, vitamins, supplements, and all those natural solutions. Oh, Shukufa is here. Welcome, Shukufa-jan. Good. Thanks for joining me. Say hi once you are here. Leave a comment, question. I'll be glad to answer it live here. Otherwise, I will answer it later. Just write down your question, and the more you engage, the more bonuses you will get. Good? Okay. I'm talking about hypothyroidism. Understand sometimes, you know, we feel we have less energy, or there is a chronic constipation going on, or sometimes we say, okay, I don't know why my memory, you know, has decreased. I don't have that kind of memory that I used to have before. I have low energy during the day. I'm fatigued usually. I don't know why. Or the most concerned actually topic for women, especially middle-aged women, is like gaining weight. They're trying to lose weight, but it's not possible. Or it's too hard to lose weight. You know why? Okay, over here, the answer, it could be related to your thyroid. Because thyroid is the biggest endocrine gland in our bodies, and its hormone associates with our metabolism. The thyroid hormone creates heat in our bodies. If you feel cold hands, cold feet, these are the symptoms associated with thyroid functions. So the sooner we address it with natural solutions, the better results we can get from the natural cure. I'm gonna talk about one of my clients. She came to me. She told me, I have chronic constipation. I'm usually nervous, and most of the time I'm emotional and cannot work under pressure. I feel inward trembling and intolerance to high temperature. I have difficulty losing weight and I feel mentally sluggish. She said, I'm sensitive to cold, and there is like poor circulation going on in my hands and feet. I feel often cold hands and cold feet. She came to me and said, what would you, tell me what is going on? And she was actually interested to know the cause of the problem. After evaluation was done, I found out, okay, now we know what is the cause and we have to address it. I gave her natural solutions. She practiced it, and after 4 months, she got the results. She came back to me. Oh, it's amazing how it makes a big difference. I have more energy. My memory has improved. Less fatigue during the day. I can work better. I'm more focused. I can learn better. So these are all associated with thyroid function that we need to address. The sooner we address, the better results we will get. Okay, stay with me until the end. So I have bonuses, answer questions, get engaged. I will give you the bonus. Those who are engaged, they will get the best bonus. Okay, now we're here. The problem is that usually we have a tendency to postpone. If there is something going on, say, okay, let me see, but later on, I'm gonna address it, or it doesn't matter right now. Usually we postpone it. We say, okay, I will do it later. Or the other mistake could be neglection. We do not pay attention to it. When the body tells you something, when there are symptoms and signs, we do not pay attention to it. So, okay, no, it's nothing, it's going to disappear over time. But the problem over here is that these are actually the objections. And if we do not address it soon, it will become chronic and more pain, more inflammation, and it becomes harder to treat or cure it. So, these are actually the mistakes and the objections that we have. But the solution is doing it, addressing it the faster we can, the sooner we can address. And what I suggest, go natural first. Whenever there is signs and symptoms, pay attention to your body. Your body is telling you something is going on, so try the natural choice first, because natural works when there is less chemical involved. When we are in middle age, it's the age that we need to pay attention. It's the age, if we go natural first, we will see the best positive effects. Why? Because your body is still actually available. It has the tendency of natural healing, and it can heal itself in a natural way. So middle age is the best age to go natural first. right now I see, I've had clients who came to me, they had like thyroid issues. Once I evaluate them and address them, they after 4 months, they came back to me and say, I have more energy, I have better memory, I can manage my weight better than before, I'm less nervous, and I have less stress. Why? Because thyroid is not only the physical body, but also mental and emotional body are engaged. Okay, wait, now I have a gift for you. Actually, I'm gonna share some of the natural solutions for you. You will be able to heal yourself and prevent chronic condition of thyroid. You don't want to, your thyroid malfunction becomes chronic. So if you're looking for the natural solutions, you're in the right place. I'm gonna share some of the points over here. Are you ready? Good? Okay. Send me a hashtag, say hi, send me likes, hearts, something. Let me know you're here so we can talk about the natural solutions for thyroid malfunction or hypothyroidism. Are you ready? Say hi, yes. Good? Let me know you're here. Let me drink my water. Good. All right. We're gonna have fun. Feel free, to get engaged. Say hi. Send me heart, hashtags. Let me know you're here. I love, to see you are more engaged. Okay, leave me a comment, something. I can see over here. Good. Okay. If you have a pen or paper, feel free to pull it out so you can write down, take a notes what I'm talking about. I'm gonna share some of the results. One of my clients actually got the results. I had a client who came to me with chronic constipation. She feels fatigue, not able to manage her weight, feeling like sluggish mind, weak memory. She had like excessive hair loss and she did not know what is the reason behind it. She had like coarse hair, suffering, morning headaches. She was complaining every day. I have like headache in the morning. Whenever I wake up, I have headache, even though I do not expect to have it. Seasonal sadness. She said, I have, there is no reason behind, but I feel sad time to time, so I don't know why. Once she came to me, she had lots of this complaints and was not comfortable with those signs and symptoms. What I did, I evaluated her first, the whole health evaluation, to find out what is the cause, the root causes of these problems, those signs and symptoms. According to her results, I guided her how to change her diet, what herbal medicine or some plant medicine or even herbal teas work the best for her to heal her body. I suggested her some vitamins and minerals that could be deficient in her body. After evaluation was done and found out what vitamin deficiency she has or what toxins are accumulated in her body, so we need to detox and also revitalize her body in order to maintain her health and happiness again. Finally, I suggested her some of the healing exercise for thyroid to balance thyroid hormone and stimulate its normal function. And relaxation meditation that comes with mindset helped her a lot. She did it every day. She practiced it every day and she got the results. So she was so happy and thrilled, how it could change her life in a positive way. She is so thankful, and still she's with me. So it is effective. Natural and holistic health is effective if we believe in it and practice it regularly. Now, I'm going to share some of the secrets. What did she do and what did actually she practice to get the results? Number one, are you ready? Good? Okay. Number one is diet change. We can use food as a medicine, and we can heal each health issue with some of the foods that are healing to our bodies. A dietary source helps a lot to repair, especially when there is a thyroid malfunction going on and it is hypothyroidism. There are certain foods that helps to improve its thyroid function. For example, one of them is pineapple. Pineapple is a great source of vitamin C and improves thyroid function. The other fruit that I can mention is pears. Pears are great source of vitamin for thyroid. Avocados are the best great source of some natural fatty acids that improves heart function, brain function, and also thyroid. So try to have some avocados if you want to help your thyroid to heal itself. And also seafood. Try to have some seafood every week, at least once a week. It helps to improve your thyroid function. Okay. Any questions, comments? Good? I know it's a lot, but it is actually great information. If you practice it, you get the best results. Okay, ready for secret 2? Secret 2 is about herbal remedies for thyroid. There are some herbs or plant medicine to help the thyroid to improve its function. One of them is Brussels sprout. Those Brussels sprout, those green ones, those are the healing plants for thyroid. Another one that we can say it's like a vegetable and you can have it like a salad is kale. Kale helps thyroid function. Another one is turnip greens. Turnip greens are like we can see in grocery stores, like big leafy green vegetables. Those turnip greens are great sources of minerals to heal the thyroid. And finally, the other plant is chives. Chives are one of the it's interesting to know what chives could be healing for thyroid, and especially if there is hypothyroidism going on. So try to consider these plants in your diet in order to help your thyroid to heal itself. Good. Ready? If you like it, engage, send me a heart, send me a like or something. Let me know you're here. Good? Okay. The third one. Ready? The third secret to heal your thyroid is neck exercise. There are some exercise to stimulate the thyroid and improve circulation to the thyroid, which is located in front of neck, and help its function. I'm going to demonstrate one of the neck exercise that helps to stimulate the thyroid. If you want to practice with me, oxygen through the nose. While taking oxygen, let's look upward. Make sure feeling the stretch behind your neck. Let's hold on to it for a few seconds. When prepared, softly, vertebrae by vertebrae, head gets back to the center. Breathe out. Take the chin to the chest. Good. Once again, breathe in, abs in, chest up. When the spine is straight, let's look up. Enjoy the stretch behind your neck. Let's hold on to it for a few seconds. Breathe evenly. Then prepare. Softly head gets back to the center. Breathe out. Take the chin to the chest. Good. Let's try last one. Breathe in. Straighten the spine first. When prepared, look up next. You can keep your eyes closed. Feel the sensation behind your neck. Breathe into the posture. Improving circulation to the neck area. Thyroid. Softly back to the center. Breathe out. Chin to the chest. Good. Then prepared. Back in the center. Open your eyes. Breathe out. Good job. Excellent. This was one of the neck exercise that is healing for thyroid. You know, thyroid is located in the neck area in front of neck, and it is actually in chakra therapy or yoga therapy that I used to practice. We call the center the fifth chakra and the throat chakra. It is associated with the central communication, how we communicate, how we express ourselves. So it's the center of expression. And the throat center is the center that is a bridge between emotion at the heart and wisdom at the brain. So this is the center of expression, center of communication. Once this center or fifth chakra is open, we feel freedom and we can communicate very well. So if you're interested, I will talk about it in chakra therapy session. I'm going to offer chakra therapy or therapeutic yoga for different health issues. So if you're interested, let me know, leave a comment. I can offer that program for you too, and you can participate and get lots of great information. Now I'm gonna talk about also another if you want to know another natural remedy for thyroid health is magnetic necklace. There are some necklaces which are magnetic. I can share the link if you want to buy it. You know, those who have hypothyroidism, you can use those magnetic necklace, and it helps improve circulation to the thyroid and reduce those signs and symptoms. That could be actually a great addition, an external addition to what you do. And finally, the fourth secret. Ready? If you're here, let me know. Send me hashtags. Say hi. Let me know you're here. Good? The secret for it, it's about the mindset, and it's about relaxation, visualization. As I mentioned, this center is the center of expression, communication, and freedom. So when you want to open up this center, try to visualize like butterflies. Butterflies are the symptoms of freedom, and the color for visualization is blue color. That's why, as you see, I have blue shirt, because the color of throat center, color of fifth chakra, color of thyroid is blue. Good. That is another topic. It's about color therapy, so I can discuss it in my chakra therapy program too. So there is limited time today. Just I want to focus on thyroid today. Okay, let's recap what you have learned today. What you have learned that was actually the best effective one, or you like to practice it, take action on it, or you're excited to take action right away. Was it about food, herbs, exercise, or mindset? Okay, now you have the power to go out and take action on what you have learned about thyroid and get results. For those of you who are ready, thank you for attending, and I'm rooting for your success. For those that want to skip over the trial and error and skip ahead, stay with me, because I have the solution for you. If you want to re-energize your body, if you want to prevent hair loss and coarse hair, if you like to increase your tolerance, improve memory, lose weight easily, if you like prevent hair loss and actually balance your emotion, feel happier and more joyful, this offer is for you. You can join me and try the holistic health consultation, because the holistic health consultation is about whole body. It's not only the physical body, but also emotional body, mental and spiritual bodies are involved. And this actually, the holistic health advantage is that you will feel not only physically healthy, but also emotionally and mentally. You can get relief and feel how it makes a big difference, because we are not only the physical body, but also emotional body and mental body matter. Actually, my holistic health consultation is about whole health evaluation. I consider a radiology, iris eye reading. I take a look at your eyes to say what is going on with internal organs, if there is inflammation in the internal organs, or if there is a possibility of inherent diseases, something that runs in your family. Your eyes can demonstrate that. So radiology helps us to discover the underlying cause of diseases. That is the one I practice. The other health evaluation is nutrition evaluation, to find out what kind of diet are you following, what you need to change. The third evaluation is about toxins and vitamins. I will evaluate to see what kind of toxins are accumulated in your body that we need to detox later, and what vitamin deficiency you might have that could be involved in illnesses. So we will address that, and the result session would be all about what you can do, what would be the best solutions that are customized for you. because everybody is different. Everybody's health condition will change over time. So the customized evaluation and the customized natural health solutions would be individualized only for you. And actually, holistic health consultation can resolve the frustration. If you're frustrated with the chemicals and those toxins that are accumulated in the body, if you are worried about future and the side effects of those drugs or chemicals, natural health solution is the best, because it helps you not only detox your body but also reduce those side effects over time and avoid worrying about future side effects of different medications. So natural is the best. Try, especially if you're middle-aged, and this group is specialized for women, specialized for those who are interested in natural health remedies. Try natural first. Holistic health is one of the best solutions to address if there is any physical or mental health issue. I'll be glad to help you out. Have any question, feel free to leave a comment or email me, or chat privately with me. I will be glad to help you out. My goal is helping you to get the results and feel better, live happier and healthier. So feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to help you out. If you try holistic health, the life will look like better, because you can live longer, you can live happier with less pain, less inflammation, and no worrying about the side effects of medications. And finally, you can have a quality life with your family, friends, for a longer, better lifestyle. If you want to if you are interested in my holistic health consultation, feel free to leave me a comment or chat with me privately. Send me a message, or you can check my website. There is a link. I will share it over here. You can check out the programs and the services that I offer on my website. I'll share the link on the bottom and the comment section of this actually program, so you will see what services I offer. If you are interested in any one of them, you can try one and see how effective it is. Those who live in Orange County, California, this is the best. You can come to my office and visit. Otherwise, those who are too far, I will offer online services that would be virtual or Zoom call. I will find out the root causes. I can help you online in case you're interested. So reach me out and let me know how I can help you to get the results. I'm here to support you. Invite your friends or family members, those who are interested in natural solutions, holistic health approach, so they can get the best out of this group. I have clients who are happy they tell me they are happy to find me, so it's like a miracle. It is a life-changing experience. If you practice it, you will see the best results. Our goals together is improving your health and happiness over the time, so you can improve not only your own health, but also since you are a mother and a sister, you can help your family to improve their lifestyle, live better, happier, and healthier. Okay, those who have engaged, I will check out the comment box later on. I will reach them out. Those who engage the most, they will get the best bonuses. I'll reach you out and let you know what would be your bonus. Try to join me every Tuesday at 4 p.m. over here. I'll be glad to see you live. Appreciate your support. Ask your questions. Leave your comments. If I'm live, I will answer them later. I'll check out the comment box later and I will answer each of them one at a time. Actually, my program, the Natural Health Program, is for those who are interested in natural and they believe in it, they're gonna practice it. They will see the best results. Those who like to buy, they can check out my website and see what are my programs and what are my services. Feel free to reach me with any questions. The worst thing is that if you use one small pieces of my program, the worst thing is that you feel better. Actually, there is no side effects, there is no loss, there is no actually nothing to worry about because it's all natural. There is no side effect, and I'll do my best to use the best natural solutions and help you to improve your health and happiness. Finally, thank you so much for joining me. Appreciate your time. I'm looking forward to seeing you next Tuesday at 4 p.m. Reach me with your comments and questions. I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you so much to those who could join me live today. Appreciate it. Keep in touch. Have a blessed holiday. Happy New Year, everybody. Wish you all the best of happiness in the year ahead of you. And see you next year in 2021. We hope for the best. And let's meet next Tuesday at 4 p.m. Thank you.